Even though Lee loves being outside, it's only with me. He has memories, apparently, of being left in the backyard and neglected. Now watch this. I'm going to let him out in the backyard and watch how quick he comes back in and pushes the door. Let's go. No time flat. He doesn't want to be left back there. Close it again. He's not ready. This burns me up. They put in trees at this park. They don't water them. And they're elevated up here on these islands. And then the tree dies almost. The whole top is dead. Then a little bit is alive, starts coming out of the bottom. Multiple trunks. Same with that one right there. You'd think with all of these park employees, there would be just a couple that know how to water trees. Won't stop raining. 9 days straight.
Somebody loves me.
I got a collection notice. It's Louisiana state taxes. $384 and something. But the first thing that popped into my mind was that guy who was taking pictures of me. May not be connected. Who knows? This balance contains debt that may be collected by distraint, which means that the department is authorized to levy upon or seize your cash, bank accounts, property, or rights to property, including wages from your employer. I was curious about my snoring, so for my afternoon nap, I set up the camera next to the bed to see if I would snore. Here's the result.